Hello again. I'm here again with another video from financial market again. Really going to be this financial market. Since the indicator that I'm going to show can only be seen on what is that, okay, on another platform. Alright, what is this strategy about? That one is VWAP strategy, can be asset call and it is deal with an average. What is that concept? In a session, the concept WAP is what is the base volume is the average price. This represents, as said, the average price rate based on volume. In situation, usually use the line as valid reference. Just when the price moves far away from that average, is trend return to reaction. It's like the exponential moving average, only take volumes that as a reference. I already mentioned on the Quotex Option platform, I cannot see the indicator, so we're gonna use the TradingView platform as I said before. Export to search, well, that indicator is based on that position. More than anything, I will use financial markets, maybe they don't operation that video, but I'm going to explain what it is about. How I got ticks based on that strategy. Let's quickly go to the TradingView, alright, on that platform. Those who don't know that TradingView's platform, this platform helping to define charts. That's a great platform. I can use infinite numbers indicators with many strategies, but I'm going to use only an indicator for this video. We're going to watch here the top part. Here appears that symbol. Let's go to the indicator. We are going to put VWAP. Here's the volume, wave average price. Okay. Volume weighted average price. Okay. Instead, I'm going to mark, and this drone is here. We're going to look for the pair that reflectives. It can be bad. I'm going to mark this. The setting here, I can exchange the color, but it can't be the color right here. Yeah. You decide what thickness you use. The colors too. All right. You're always to remove that. Not for now. Let's see this. Yup, the thickness. Yeah. Right here, just remove this. All right. You can remove that. This is what I look for the Bollinger Bands, but it's not as a red indicator that this. On the volume base, guys, we're going to remove that extreme and filter that average remainings. All right. What is this strategy about? Simple. I'm going to trade on this average up or down. Important that it's set up something important to mention here that we can. Well, realize this strategy is used for day trading strategy. Remember that is daily chart or more if you go to the period, the width of the period, session or so on. Since looks centuries, decade, years, quarterly, monthly, weekly session, we have all this right here. All right. We're going to use in the market position. Well, binary options as such is a short time. We'll look at the trading session. It can also add multiplies to the band to make it look more extensive. And well, another type of strategy could be used like this, but I only use like this session. Right? I like this. Observe, let's mark here. What is the price? That price has been falling in a downtrend. You see that more or less in that area is where it acts. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. That is what is giving me the answer breakouts that I expect to break this one and reject it generally. It's fall, right? But real look, come back and recover the area. Here it's form of cars downtrends. Against this one, more complicated, but look at the price. It's making this comeback here. It's forward again. Just passed through the line, the purple one. Right? It's making this comeback here. So that's a bridge. Alright? It's green and then the answer is given in that, and that's turning red again. Obviously, it's not all positions are going to happen. If you look here lose, although with Hina would win. But well, that could be too. Here's break. It's a downtrend. It's come downtrend. In our case, here's not so common to use because, well, there's not so much variation anymore. Let's go to the graph perhaps for 1 minute to be able to see how much is given the summary entries. All right. In this case, we see the reaction or rejection enter that upside. We all observe this. Same here, reaction is given a but it's lost here. We are also going to look for different pair to see that. All the dozens vary from 1 minute. What is this? 5 minutes. There is no so much variation. But I business on average. I look for the entrance near there because it's area of interest that coincides with the past. Yes, important, guys. Observe here what it do, here what it does, although here it's lost. But it's come back here it starts to slot. Okay, with a normal optional thing here, of course, create enveloping candle. Although you, if it like this, can also happen. There's our thing that happened here too. Look at that. Okay. Hey, wait a minute. How about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in this video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Here when the breakout is as hard as it becomes empty, but it's generally I would look for entries. The section of the price is stabilized and this area respect for me. Okay. Breaks, tests, no, I was here breaking tests, breaking, never passing, and it goes down, though it's slowest down several times. Look all this portion. Okay, and then well, we'll quick return to the box option to culminate this video, and that will be all for this one. I hope that you like this. It's an explanation of this strategy that I use in financial markets, mostly even in intraday sessions. Sometimes it's good to use, sometimes not. So identify the clear trend, look at the rejection candle, and enter into the continuation of the trend. More than anything else is that. Okay, guys, for that is like this video, subscribe the channel, and would be for all this one. See you in the next one. Have a good day. See you. Bye bye.